Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia memperbarui informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 12 jam terakhir. Rusia mengklaim berhasil menguasai markas logistik Ukraina di Odessa. Di markas ini, senjata bantuan dari Amerika Serikat dan NATO disimpan sebelum dibagi ke tentara. Rudal berbasis udara jarak jauh presisi tinggi dari pasukan Dirgantara Rusia melumpuhkan terminal logistik di lapangan terbang militer dekat Odessa, tempat sejumlah besar senjata asing yang diterima dari AS dan negara-negara Eropa disimpan, kata juru bicara Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini. Pada siang hari, 22 aset militer Ukraina dihantam oleh rudal berbasis udara presisi tinggi dari pasukan Dirgantara Rusia. Di antaranya, 2 pos komando dan kontrol batalion dan 1 pos komando dan kontrol brigade, 11 titik kuat, serta area konsentrasi tenaga dan peralatan militer Ukraina. Hingga 200 prajurit dan nasionalis, serta lebih dari 30 kendaraan lapis baja dan mobil, dihancurkan. 3 gudang senjata, peralatan militer, dan amunisi telah dihancurkan di Ilichevka dan Kramatorsk. 1 sistem rudal anti-pesawat Buk M1 dan 3 stasiun radar dihancurkan di dekat Novaya Dmitrovka, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. This afternoon, high-precision, long-range air-based missiles of the Russian Aerospace Forces disabled logistics terminal at a military airfield near Odessa, where a large batch of foreign weapons received from the United States and European countries was being stored. During the day, 22 military assets of Ukraine were hit by high-precision air-based missiles of the Russian Aerospace Forces. Among them, 2 battalion command and control posts and 1 brigade command and control post, 11 strong points, as well as areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration. Up to 200 servicemen and nationalists, as well as more than 30 armored vehicles and cars, were destroyed. 3 weapon military equipment and ammunition depots have been destroyed in Ilichevka and Kramatorsk. 1 Buk M1 anti-aircraft missile system and 3 radar stations were destroyed near Novaya Dmitrovka. During the day, operational tactical and army aviation of the Russian Aerospace Forces hit 79 military assets of Ukraine, among them 6 command posts, 52 areas of Ukrainian manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 16 depots of missile and artillery weapons, ammunition and fuel. 4 anti-aircraft missile systems were destroyed, namely 3 Buk M1 near Kurakovka and Romanovka and 1 Tor anti-aircraft missile system near Sergeyevka. Russian air defense means destroyed 3 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near the settlements of Izyum and Kherson, including 1 Bayraktar TB2 over Lazovaya, Kharkov region. Missile troops and artillery carried out 102 fire-on missions during the night, destroyed 6 command posts, 84 strong points and areas of manpower and military equipment concentration, as well as 10 artillery batteries. In total, 141 aircraft and 110 helicopters, 541 unmanned aerial vehicles, 264 anti-aircraft missile systems, 2,479 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 278 multiple launch rocket systems, 1,081 field artillery and motors, as well as 2,321 units of special military vehicles of the armed forces of Ukraine were destroyed during the operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.